In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your checkout page on WooCommerce. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign into your WordPress account and then go to the dashboard. I'm going to explain how to do it step for step in this video. So then go to WooCommerce, the WooCommerce tab on the left, go down till you see settings. You want to hit settings and then you wait till it's done. And you want to go all the way to the right to advanced. So hit the advanced tab, and as you can see, this is the page setup for the cart page, checkout page, my account page, and the terms and conditions. As you can see, I already set this all up, but if you have to do this, you have to do this. You have to enable the right page for this word. So then click on the word. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your terms of service. Same for my account page, checkout and cart. Then go down and then you can customize this. Personally, I would just leave it like this. Just pay is order pay, order received. This is just all fine. And also leave this. So then you can hit save changes. And then you can go to your website. So hit visit site and hit customize, this button here that says customize. So hit customize, and now you're in the customizing tab of WordPress. So then you can go down again till you see WooCommerce over here. Go to WooCommerce, go to you can go to the checkout page, and as you can see, this is how you can customize it. As you can see, I have a picture of PayPal payments down here, but this is in another video how I explain how to enable PayPal payments on your WordPress website. So you can choose your company name if you want to hide it. As you can see, that is the company name. I want to hide it. Address line 2 just optional if you have two addresses. Phone field, you can, if you want to, you can put this to optional. And as you can see, this is all, you can edit this and you can edit this, but the default things are also fine. So if this video helped you out to customize your checkout page, please leave a like, please subscribe, and I hope I helped you. See you next time.
Bye.